Aloha, I'm Nicole Hori for ThinkTech News. Finally, the Department of Taxation has gone public with some data on how much the renewable energy tax credits have cost the taxpayers. The takeaway from the department's report is that a record amount was claimed for 2012, $164 million, an increase of 109% over 2011. The department noted that this amount is based on claims that were processed up till the end of 2013. As claims continue to go through, the total amount is sure to increase. Out of that $164 million, $82 million was through the refundable option. That is, even if the recipient of the credit had no taxable income in Hawaii. That's 50% of the money given out through this tax credit. Huge. Beyond that, there can be little doubt that the very large majority of that $82 million went straight out of state to mainland-based companies such as Vivint Solar, Solar City, Sunrun, Clean Power Finance, and other out-of-state financiers, investors, and bankers. Since 2003, renewable energy tax credits have cost the state about $340 million. Nearly half of that expenditure was just in last year. In September 2012, DBET estimated the renewable energy tax credit hit for 2012 could come to as much as $174 million. DBET was criticized by many, especially the solar installation industry, for grossly overestimating that number. Now that we know it will be at least $164 million, it appears they were pretty darn close. Let's hear it for DBET for having the courage to come up with a number when no one else wanted to. This is big money. Will legislators and the taxpayers change the policies, or are they too overwhelmed by complaints from the solar installation industry? Will there be a hue and cry like the hubbub over Act 221 several years ago? Or will this be a ho-hum moment in which the legislature and the taxpayers ignore what is now certainly an elephant in the room and an increasing inequity as far as energy costs are concerned? We should all be watching. Nicole Hori, ThinkTech News.